So we're back again. We're going to install the cylinder gasket. I use a new kind of sealant. It smells terrible. I want to try something new. Oh, it's sticky. It is really sticky. Remember, those holes, don't put too much sealant on top of that, because you want to keep the holes open for the water flow. Wow! I do not know if it works very well, but it's really sticky and it dries very fast. Normally I use silicone, but I want to try something new. Where is... Okay, so... And I also need a small O-ring. Oh, it sticks and smells like hell. Oh, that went well. That's fine. I hate this stuff already yet, because it smells like glue from a shoe store or something like that. I'm not happy with it, because it's sticky fingers. It's like hell. I don't use it again. So, where is the cylinder head? Is it the right one? Dowel pins, oil, nozzle, O-ring, that's all there. And that's the wrong cylinder head. Shit. That's the right cylinder head. It's clean, it's refurbished, the valves are installed now. So I'm not very happy with this new the hammer, please. If you don't know it, hit it with a hammer, eh? It's the same story everywhere. You can mend it with a hammer. Ask Jeremy Clarkson, he does it all the way. Me too, I like it. Check if the rockers are correct. Then I know this engine is clean, so I told you. I'm not happy. Now I'm going to feel how it is going. Ah, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. This one is not going well. Why not? I do not know. I do not know. Not bad. Take another one and a little bit of lubrication. lubrication. I need some oil. Oil of Olaz. Here it is. Little bit of oil. Let's see what happens. Or not. Huh. I do not understand. No, I'm not understanding it. So, I'm very happy. Okay, 4.5. Oh, it feels great. I'm hugging this engine because I love engines. Small engines, but they are strong. Five or 50 Newton meters or 5 kilogram meters. It feels right. And then I go up to 6. That's maximum for this engine. And you see, it's not going any further. So, I'm not happy with the glue there. Also here, it doesn't seem right. So, look how dirty it is. I'm not happy with it. So I have to remove it. But I'm not using it again. It's not what I like. So okay, that should be acceptable. The other one I have to do too, because I want to have a similar base to work with. So I have to do the other one too. Now I'm going to check if there is any rotation or any problems. So you're still watching, isn't it? It should be coming now. Yes, intake valves are pressed in the engine. It feels right. Exhaust. It looks great. So, thanks for watching, and I'm going to prepare the other side. Bye bye!